Shit!
Yes! Today we're making the Blueberry Bourbon Smash.
This is my butt.
Yep, and you're gonna want to get yourself a stick of blueberries.
Yeah. Who doesn't want a blueberry saber?
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the home bartender starter kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Ian, Dan, and Derek are going to show you how to make Blueberry Bourbon Smash. God, I got that thing stuck in your head.
Really, 4 or 5 blueberries?
5.
Use whatever blueberry
I
account
like
you
a
want.
handful. Of
Yeah, I would
Handful.
use a lot.
Yeah, the more the merrier.
Yeah.
Like, not as much as that ice you use, though.
You just dropped one in there.
Oh, there's a couple.
You look like you had a whole handful.
Bogart
and one. You got small hands?
Oh, he's going to...
Salt beta.
He just blueberry
Blueberry
bait that
bait.
thing. 2 ounces of bourbon, 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce simple syrup, 4 to 5, a handful of fresh blueberries, 4 to 6 mint leaves. Or you just take the stick
at least
and go...
6. Yeah.
You just, kill that tree.
Yeah, come on. And then smash it up.
Then we're going to add the blueberries in the
But
bit.
in a gentle way.
And we're going to gently
Gentle, man.
muddle them with our muddler,
Yeah.
available at offstreaks.com.
Gentle.
Yes.
Part of the essential home bartender starter kit.
Down and twist. Down and twist.
And then you're going to add your bourbon and lemon juice and simple syrup on top of that. Then you're going to add ice and you're going to shake it.
Twisting.
Then you're going to double strain it, maybe.
Gentle.
Are we going to double strain this one or are we single strain?
Oh, you got to double strain this one.
Because the blueberries are going to just be like...
Yeah, you're going to get a lot of blueberry in
It
there.
has no egg in it anyway, so
Yeah.
Ian won't lose his.
Shit.
What?
Huh?
Well, you didn't want to strain the last one.
Because you didn't want to lose the phone.
Oh, yeah. Don't want to lose the phone.
Shh, he's going to get confused.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
No shit to be lost.
You're doing a good job. Gentle.
Thank you.
Smash.
Way to improve your feedback, Dan.
Yeah, see?
So I have a 2 ounce side on that. You opt to just do 1 ounce twice.
I
Huh?
only want to dirty one side of the thing.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to then
He's
use
only
the
going to
other
put in
side.
3/4 lemon juice
No.
and then half simple. So,
We just need more jiggers. Then you don't make as much of a mess, apparently.
Because if I did that, then now this is going to be leaking.
Oh, yeah. I
Bourbon.
understand. Oh, I know. Jennifer makes a mess of this bar every time she makes a drink.
oh.
It's like a fucking
So
tornado.
she's the messy one.
Yo, like, it's crazy.
I use a paper towel.
And then
Oh.
she's like, I just use the paper
I
towel to
use the
clean it up.
paper
And I'm
towel.
like, and the paper towel sticks. Like, what are you talking about? And I don't understand. It gets everywhere, though. It's not just like right there. It's all over. I don't know what she's doing. She's building them everywhere.
She's building a
I'm
masterpiece.
a scientist. I
She's
need
building a
space.
masterpiece.
This is her laboratory.
Artisanal.
Gross.
So artisanal just means make it
It's
messy.
artisanal.
Make it messy.
That looks like olive oil or something. That's weird.
What just happened?
That looks like olive oil from the angle I was looking at it.
What the hell does olive oil look like to you? Just green?
What the heck?
Gentle.
No, I already did that.
All right.
Yeah. Now you can aggressively pulverize it. Then you add ice. Then you're going to make yourself a smash. And we can throw some blueberries. Oh, you know what? Here, we'll do it.
Are we gonna put them on a?
Let's.
Are we gonna steak them?
You're going to
let's
skewer
steak the
blueberries?
shit out of
Yes.
it. That way you don't do anything crazy like comes out brown and then we end up with a drink with fucking floating turds in
No,
it.
it's just going to be
Blue.
olive
Yeah.
oil color.
It's probably going to be purple. Purple. I'm going purple.
Purple.
No, yellow.
Oh.
Kind of none of
Ah.
those.
Yeah, that's the blueberry color. What did we forget?
He forgot the double strain. That's what he's. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, that's a sin.
Just put a bit.
That's a sin.
Yeah, you got a fast bowl. You got a fast drop.
Alcohol abuse.
But I do appreciate that you didn't flip the jigger over to make a mess.
How many are
That's
you putting on there?
you like it's like when you have like a 4-year-old, you're like, go do this thing, and you come back and they like didn't stop when they got to a reasonable end.
Oh, let me make it pretty.
Good job.
Oh, thank you.
No pudding butt. Bad dad.
Yeah, you don't want to put
Wait
that
for camera off.
Oh,
Let me tell you what you don't
me
want to
stick
put.
on pointy end.
Yeah, you put that in your butt, you're gonna be at the doctor's
There,
office.
let me shine it up though.
Lick them all. You gonna add some more ice to that?
No more ice.
No more ice.
That's why I was mad that I did the thing and I dumped the ice in there.
Well,
'cause
let's see. You can't tell now. Boom.
Boom. I could do.
Oh, you
No.
mean literally you have
Don't
no
do
more
it.
ice? Oh, hand ice.
It's all hand ice, baby. You knew that. It's gonna keep me coming back.
It definitely doesn't look as good as the other ones.
No. Jesus
It's fine.
Christ.
It's fine. It's fine. Let's check the view. Yeah, she looks
Maybe it
good
needs
that
a
way.
blackberry in it.
Honestly, it's actually more photogenic than it is here because of this, like
Yeah, it
the,
doesn't look
the,
Yeah.
the
No.
gradients and stuff.
No, I mean, because that's the
It's
inside
just not
color
as-
of a blueberry.
It looks
I mean,
like the
blueberries
inside
aren't
of a
blue.
blueberry. No,
Yeah.
that's the problem. Is blueberries aren't blue inside, but like the other
More
ones were so
same berry,
bright,
yeah.
and like that first
Yeah.
one when you did the blackberries,
Oh,
like,
it
whoa,
looks so
everyone's
good.
like, that looks. You don't even care what it tastes like. It looks fucking
Yeah.
awesome. This one just looks
This
like
one
it's a
better
tiki
tastes
drink.
good.
It better.
It's gonna roll right in your face.
It gave you like a little blueberry mustache. You're like,
Wee wee.
oh, high smash. You need less blueberries for that one.
Oh.
There you
That's
go.
better.
There we go.
Oh shit! Yeah,
Look at
that's,
that.
now you're getting
Look at
infusing.
now we even have a swizzle stick.
Yeah, you're infusing the
boom.
shit out of it. Like it tastes even more like blueberry
Mhm.
now because you know all those blueberry skins.
I mean, it's good.
Oops.
It doesn't taste like blueberry, but it's good.
Yeah, it tastes like bourbon, which is great.
I mean, it tastes like bourbon and mint.
It's
and
like strong.
Well, it's
Yeah,
got
it's
like
like
an earthy fruitiness to it, which is the blueberry, but it's
Yeah.
not like you recognize it as blueberry.
no.
yeah, it like cuts the bourbon.
But I've tried infusing things with blueberry and I like all kinds of shit with blueberry. It fucking tastes like blueberry. It has a flavor, but like blueberries just don't taste the same when you don't have them in blueberry form anymore. Like when you juice a blueberry, it doesn't like it's not like all that blueberry flavor comes out. I don't know where it
That's true.
goes.
Probably part of the skin.
Is it
Yeah,
the skin,
must
the
be.
blueberry? It's like
I
that's
don't
where you
know.
get the blueberry taste from? I don't
That's
understand.
what the swizzle stick's for.
Because if you like, unless these just don't taste good, like do they taste?
No, they
Fuck
actually
is he
taste
doing?
good.
Yeah, if you eat the flesh.
Well, you got a pretty big tongue.
Yeah. I'll work out.
Out?
Thank you.
This tastes like a blueberry. This tastes like bourbon. And mint.
Well, no. When you taste the blueberry and you taste the drink, there's definitely something that cuts.
It's just not a very dominant taste.
Yeah.
Like the blackberry cuts through like a knife. This, not so much because it's
No.
so subtle. Uh-oh. You're going to cut a blackberry like a knife?
No, I was just thinking it doesn't cut like a knife like you think it cuts like a knife. I think a strawberry cuts
No.
like a knife.
Okay. What am I? Yo! So.
Didn't you see the filming light?
$84 for gas.
$84.
$84.
$84.
Highway robbery.
You gotta stop filling other people's tanks.
How do you pay $84 for gas? We have a Jeep. I have the same Jeep, but I paid.
How many
not
gallons
much.
does that thing take?
16 gallons.
You might have a bigger
Oh,
tank than I
yeah.
do. I don't understand. I don't think I paid that.
16 gallons.
I understand it sucks.
So he's
Are you
putting in-
buying? Are you getting the cheapest gas?
No, he's
Of
not.
course.
He
Yeah, I
can't
played
be.
Super in like 08.
No.
So you're saying you put in like $5 plus gasoline?
I don't understand.
16 gallons? Like, because 80.
16-gallon tank.
Yeah, divided by 80. That's like
$5.
$5 a gallon.
I paid $78.
Which is what
Okay.
premium is, right? $5?
Oh, you paid 78.
I paid
see?
$78 at Exxon.
Yeah, it's not even $5.
I don't like to buy ghetto gas.
How do you do the math about knowing the price per gallon?
I'm doing the math to get to the price per gallon.
Yeah,
Oh,
he
you just asked.
Do you want to hit him with the blueberries?
I do. I really do.
Anyway,
All right.
Blueberry Bourbon Smash tastes fine. I
Good.
like the other smashes better.
It's not as
Not a
blueberry.
massive fan of the blueberry flavor infusions, but
But if you have blueberries and you want to make a smash,
And maybe if they're more ripe and they've started to like
but
some flavor comes out when things are like overripe a little
that
bit
means you have to
sometimes.
go to the store, eat the
100%.
blueberries when they're not looking, and be like, that's smash worthy.
but if you have a blueberry bush
oh well, that's different. Yeah.
and you have a fucking bucket full of blueberries,
Then I would
smash
make-
some of that shit and throw it in some
Dude, I
bourbon.
just take the bucket, step in it, throw a fucking bottle of bourbon in there,
Boom.
drink this shit.
Or you
Yeah.
make a blueberry infused syrup. So
I'm
can,
telling
like-
you, it's not the same.
Or you go to IHOP and you
I've tried
get
that.
boysenberry.
Yeah.
On your pancakes.
What is a boysenberry?
Viva la French.
I don't know.
Viva la French toast.
It's like a blueberry that's made from boys. I don't know. Anyway,
It's good. It's a good drink.
it's good drink. It's just not as good as some of the other smashes that we've made.
Yeah.
I would say it's like
It's the
it's
third
like
best
B
smash we
tier.
made today.
Yeah, this is B tier.
Yeah, you want S tier? I think the blackberry one.
C tier.
I mean, that thing was good with the sauce.
Goated.
Got it. Link below for the bartender starter kit. That's it. TGI drink.